going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist. Y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So, y'all, as y'all see, we got a little unboxing going down today for y'all. I got a particular shoe that I'm looking for in one of these boxes. I know it's going to be one of the big boxes today for you all. So, sit back, enjoy the unboxing, y'all. If y'all just now tuning into the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. You know what I'm saying? Give your boy a thumbs up. Drop a comment below and let me know what you all thought about these shoes. So I'm gonna open up both of the big boxes to find these shoes for y'all. Let's get it. This here right here, y'all. Boxing today is being brought to us by none other than my bro, Sneaker Tony. Don't know who Sneaker Tony is. He is a huge Air Force One sneaker collector in Germany. He's been on TV shows out here and everything. And bro told me I was able to, you know, he allowed me to check this shoe out. So as y'all see, it's Air Force One box, and it's the, I'm not even gonna read the name of the box, y'all. I'm just gonna get straight to it, y'all. Y'all already know these came from Stockx. So official as the tissue coming from Stockx. So y'all already know what we do over here with them new shoes, y'all. Oh yes, Lord. Woo! Smell test approved by your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Y'all, these things are fuego, man. Oh man, and you know what, man? Just looking at this shoe, man, it kind of reminds me, I'm going to go ahead and get the other shoe out. It kind of reminds me of my favorite Air Force Ones, and the way that they did it, it just kind of reminds me, and I'll show you guys, I'll give you guys a quick comparison too. So here they are. Bam! The PlayStation Air Force One Quick Strike 2018. Now y'all, these are plush. It's different. You know, you got a different type of feel for this. It kind of reminds me of the All-Star Air Force Ones that came out. The All-Star Air Force Ones that came out. They had that 3D check like these do. When you turn it from the side, you kind of see. You see how it sticks out. I can actually show you all. I have that here. This translucent bottom, which I'm gonna turn this around, let you guys get a good glimpse on it as we talk some more about it. So y'all, if y'all look right here, I'm gonna compare these two shoes. This is what I really felt like. This shoe looked just like this shoe. Now this is the Northern Lights Air Force Ones that came out about 2 years ago, I believe. And this shoe right here, it was with the first Air Force One to have a 3D Nike check, as you see. And on these PlayStations, you can see they kind of went with a translucent type blue inner that has, if you look closely, you have the X, the O, and everything for the buttons and stuff. They didn't seem to put that back inside anything inside the shoe sole. It just says Nike, but on the back you have you have everything. You have it on the back. And another thing that they did was they did do the tips, which, like I said, this shoe reminds me of this shoe. The only difference is the colorway. I really think that the Air Force One PlayStation is really dope. They are kind of going for, you know, the price shot up on these, but for collectors purposes and those that love PlayStation, a great shoe to pay homage to PlayStation. And it's an Air Force One classic silhouette that goes way back when. You can't go wrong with the low tops. I know some people prefer mids, but as far as that, on this shoe you have the X's and the O's with the translucent sole, and on this one, instead of having the buttons, you have the PlayStation symbol, which I think is really dope. And in the inside right there, you have the PlayStation. So you have Nike Air on the right side, and you have PlayStation written on the inside of this one. Very dope shoe. Love the translucent bottoms. Love everything about the shoe. You all let me know what your thoughts are on these. I know I didn't really hear too many people talking about them like that. You know, it maybe is it because people were not. The shoe wasn't sold to me, I feel like, in a broad spectrum. It was kind of like one of those shoes you had to get on. But again, I feel like they compared to the Northern Light Air Force Ones, me personally, and personal opinion, y'all. But y'all let me know what y'all think about these PlayStation Air Force Ones. So we had them PlayStation Air Force Ones today that we brought you this review on. Very dope shoe, like I said. Every little detail on this shoe. I could do these. I could really do these, but I think that for the price, I think it's a little high. I believe that the other pair is a little bit more limited than these were, but like I said, I didn't see too many people cop these and give reviews on these. But today, appreciate my bro Sneaker Tony for letting us do this review, getting to check these shoes out. Very dope, all the way down to the bottom of the sole. The whole shoe is fuego. I actually get this combination, you know, a solid 10 of 10, because it's not too, you know, flossy and fashy or flashy or nothing like that. It's very simple. You got a little bit of that. You got a little bit of that gloss to it. You know, I'm gonna be honest. I almost missed that. You only have that on the outside, on the outside of the shoe. On the inner, you don't have it, but on the outside, you got that patent leather. That patent leather is pretty dope to just put it right there, and it makes it pop because you know the PlayStation pops. But y'all already know what time it is. I'm gonna spin them pictures for y'all. Appreciate y'all tuning in and showing all that love and support. Y'all know how the Retro Wiz Kid get down. Right about now, we on that grind to 2K, 2,000 subscribers, y'all. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy the Retro Wiz Kid. Hashtag the Retro Wiz Kid and follow your boy on Instagram at the Retro Wiz Kid. And when you hashtag the Retro Wiz Kid, you can be featured in the weekly sneaker rotation video. Episode number 22 coming at y'all this Sunday. You dig? Got some more unboxing stuff to do, but I wanted to give y'all this one today and show y'all and give y'all my first thoughts and show you what Air Force One I feel like they kind of sort of recreated with a different color, different style. But at the same time, it's the same silhouette, but just a different style with the colors and, you know, making this one be that PlayStation custom. So let's get into them pictures, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.